Okay mga kamista, titignan natin yung instruction na ito. So, visiting Big 4. So, this is Big 4. Ito information niya. This is the information for Big 4. Ayan. So, caution nga daw. Caution, know the facts. Okay. So, ito yung ano. So, nandito tayo. So, ang trailhead going there. Ayun. Ayan. Ayun, ito ang end of trail. Ito yung pinaka ice caves. Okay. That's good. So, may trailhead. So, yun importante. Do not leave valuables in unattended vehicles. Yes, that's true. So, no campfires. Bawal ang campfires ngayon dito. Ha? Magsiga-siga. Bawal. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the trail. Let's go. May nakalagay na day fee. Passes honored here. Passes not. Ito. Passes here. Passes not accepted. Oh, paano mangyayari? So, to pay, obtain a fee envelope, enter information for all blanks. Detach stub, enclose payment in fee envelope. Deposit envelope into fee tube. Provided display stub on vehicle dashboard information. Side up. So, ito yun. Nasaan? So, hanap tayo. Saan yung bayaran? Wala. Wala yung tube. Mamaya. If you do not have the passes. Okay, meron namang QR code. Kaso ang problema, walang signal dito. Walang signal eh. Paano tayo magbabayad? Naku. Siguro baka naman ano eh. Yung bayaran ito may cover eh. We'll see. Saglit lang naman tayo. Baka makalibre. Okay. Let's go to the trailhead. Ito na, hiking na tayo mga kamista ha. Okay, bear with me. Hiking tayo. Ganda ng mga puno, lalaki oh. So, ganito ang ginagawa ko mga kamista pag ako naka day off. Naghahanap ako ng mapapasyalan. So, ang trip natin ngayon, pag walang fishing, hiking. Pasyal-pasyal do sa mga magagandang tanawin. Katulad nito, ang tawag dito is Big 4. Actually, client ko ang nagsabi nito sa akin. Kasi naikwento ko sa kanya, mahilig ako mamasyal. And then sabi niya kung nakita ko na raw itong Big 4, yung ice cave daw. Sabi ko hindi pa. So sabi niya napakaganda raw nitong lugar na ito, kaya dapat daw mapuntahan ko. So I take advantage yung day off ko today. So pumasyal ako rito ngayon. So tignan nga natin kung talagang maganda. Kaya samahan nyo ko. Kayo mismo humusga kung maganda nga talaga yung ice caves. Pero para sa akin, pag nature maganda. Iba mga kamista at mga ka-caregiver. So doon sa mga caregiver na nandiyan nakikinig din sa akin o nanonood nito at nasa Washington, punta kayo dito. Ang ganda naman oh, may ibon pa oh, may nature. May ibon oh, yun, may ibon. Nice. So lakad lang tayo. Ito ang trailhead. Ganda ng lugar oh.
Let me see.
Hello. Ganda ng lugar mga ka-caregiver. Kamista. Ayan oh. Ganda yung bundok oh. May ice para sa taas. Ganda ng bundok na to. Parang wall. Grabe. Hanep. Ang ganda. So, I hope ma-enjoy nito. I'm sharing the view. Ganda. So, kung may makakapanood nito na taga rito sa Washington, punta kayo rito mga kaibigan, mga kamista. Ano to, Mount Baker Ice Cave. So ganito lang mamasyal. Kahit solo lang kayo, talagang ano to, adventure. Marami nagpupunta ring tourist eh. Tingnan mo, ginawan pa talaga ng daanan oh. Pero malamig, lumalamig na. Naka t-shirt lang ako, buti nakapagdala ako ng vest. So ito na yung trail going to Ice Caves, Big Four picnic area. So ito yung going to Ice Caves. Ito naman yung Big Four picnic area, itong trail na to, pagka pupunta ka sa picnic area. So let's go to the Ice Caves. Okay, so ito naman parking, going there. Doon tayo babalik mamaya. Okay, let's go. This is the best benefits pagka ikaw namamasyal ng mga ganito. Kasi nakakita ka na ng magagandang tanawin, nakapag-exercise ka pa. So good for your health, health-wise and mental health. Talagang lahat. Oh, ganda, lalaki ng mga puno rin dito. Pero maigsi lang itong trail na to eh. Yung susunod na pupuntahan ko, mahaba ang trail. So made sure na pag pumunta kayo sa mga trail na pinupuntahan nyo o pinapasyalan nyo, get ready. Kailangan pwede kayong magdala kayo ng mga vest or jacket. Katulad nito, medyo parang may moist, malamig. Tapos kailangan yung shoes ninyo. Yan. May hiking shoes. Hindi kinakailangan ng very fancy ha. Importante lang comfortable. Okay. Nakalagay dito ngayon, danger, Ice Caves kill, stay on the trail. Oh my goodness. Parang nakakatakot. Okay, binago, bagong gawa tong yung kanilang yung board, yung mga poste bagong palit. Alright. Amoy kahoy, amoy bagong kahoy. Talagang mini-maintain ng ng forest management. Ganda. So meron ding creek. Ganda naman. Ito matindi. Oh, ganda ng view oh. Oh, the view is so nice. So this bridge is aluminum. Wow. Talagang heavy duty. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the view. It's like a wall. Oh, wow. I'm in love. Oh, linaw ng tubig. Sarap mag-fishing dito. Meron kayang trout dito? Ah, oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ang linaw. Grabe. Ang ganda naman. Oh. See? Ang ganda mga kamista. It's so beautiful. The water is so clear. So diretso na tayo. Ganda oh. Look at that. Medyo cloudy and a little bit of rain, pero may enjoy pa rin naman natin ang view. We can still enjoy the view. If you're coming here, be ready. Kinakailangan meron kang gamit. Pero okay lang. Hello. Hello, sir. Oh, look at the water stream. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Yung sound ng tubig, yung pagbaba niya sa mga yung sa bato, very relaxing. Nature na nature talaga. Just follow the trail para hindi maligaw. The trail is good. It is properly maintained. So hindi mahirap. This is not a difficult trail. So pwedeng magsama ng mga bata. Doon tayo galing kanina. Ano ba yan? Akala ko skin ng yun, ng ahas. Grabe. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. So, be nice lang sa mga nakakasalubong ninyo. Just greet them, hi, hello. You need to be nice to the people na nakakasalubong ninyo.
Oh god, there's one album. I don't even
Hello.
remember. Hi.
Bah, mahaba-haba rin tong trail ah. Akala ko malapit lang. Hindi pala. I hope you're still watching this. To again, to all who watch this and you have family member here in Washington, and ask them if they were seen this place already. If they said no, tell them they should come here. At least they can see the beauty of this nature, this place. The walkway, the trail is properly maintained by the US Forest Service, so you can bring your kids, and at the same time this is good for family bonding. The trail is not bad. The slope is so easy. So it's children's what you call this? Children's safe. Okay, look at that. Oh, views are really good. Oh my god, there's a lot of wildlife here also. You can hear the birds, you see birds just like that one right there, and there's another one. It's a woodpecker. It's a woodpecker. Oh my god, nice. Let's see kung makikita pa natin siya. Oh, there he is. Oh, there's a woodpecker. Look at that. Oh no, he's so shy. He doesn't want to film. he's right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, this is beautiful. So guys, if you have friends in Washington or planning to visit Washington State, this is only an hour and 45 minutes away from Seattle. Or if it's in downtown Seattle, this is 2 hours away. Because I live in the north side, and I clock it in. It took me an hour and 14 minutes to get here. Oh, I'm sweating a little bit. This is a good trail. So tell your friends they should come here. Oh, look, the mountain is so good, so beautiful. Thank you for those who are still watching right now. Help me grow the community. This time I'm going to show you different places here in Washington, so you can visit. If you're here and you still haven't seen this, please come. I encourage you to come here. Highly recommended. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, if you can only see from the top, there's a falls going down. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Please come and join me to this trail. Hope you stay with me until the end of the trail, where the ice cave is located. That's where we're heading right now. See, it's easy. The trail is properly maintained, and the what you call this, the trail is properly gravelled, so it's not gonna be very muddy during rainy season, I think. So it's really nice. And to all who watch this, if you are outside Washington, outside the state, please come here, visit this place. If you visit Washington, come here. This is a lot beautiful. There's a lot of places here that are so good, but this one is one of them. Highly recommended. Oh my God, I love you. Oh, I love nature. I love you, nature. Hello. Hi. Whew. Oh my God. We're almost there. Almost there. I think it's a mile away from the parking area. I think it's a mile walk, or maybe a little bit more, but it slowly goes up, so an easy hike. That's why I'm telling that this is good for children. You can bring your kids. Nature is good for our children. Once in a while, take them out of the take them to the woods. Don't just let them play on their gaming console, sit in their room or in the couch. Go out as a family. Man, once a week you go out as a family. This is what I miss, because I miss my family. Hello. So as much as possible, I keep my camera down if I saw people coming towards me, because I know not all of them is okay with the camera. Some of them doesn't like it. So just be respectful to them, but always keep saying hi, hello to these people. Just be nice, be a good citizen. Hello. You see that? They have two kids. Oh my God. Just like what I said, I miss my family because they're not here right now. So I miss them. I miss doing this with them. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I think the ice cave is on that side. Let's go. Let's go. I can't wait to see that place. Oh yes. Oh my god. Ahead of us. Ice cave. Ahead of us. Look at that. You see the white thing right there? There's the ice cave. So another warning when you get here, especially winter time if you come here. So this is the warning sign. Be careful, okay? Mind your safety, please. Hello.
I did it. I only went like half.
Oh my goodness, napakaganda talaga. Oh, this is so beautiful. Everyone who watched this, look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. There's the ice cave now. You see that? I should come here on winter time. I want to find out how much ice or how much snow they have it here. It's summertime here, but right now it's kind of a little bit not a little bit, it's cloudy and shower, not much. It's bearable, but this is beautiful. I want you to see this. Oh, that on the top, the water came from the top. You see the white right there? It's water. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's water, and then it forms here. I think maybe 10 years, 20 years ago, or 50, 30 years ago, the ice I think is much bigger. But because we have some temperature problem, concerning problem with temperature, it melts down a little bit, I think. And I hope we see this 30 years ago. We saw this 30 years ago. So okay, this is what there's a written something here on the stone. You can read it. People have died beyond here. The environment is forever changing. Your awareness and decision can be the difference between life and death. This area not patrolled on a regular basis. Okay, so this is the reminder from Forest Service Department of Agriculture. So okay, there is a reminder. There's another reminder right there. Don't go beyond that yellow thing. All right, let's go here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ah. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, thank you Lord. This is a beautiful spot. Oh my god, people are going there too. Really? Do we supposed to go there? I think we should go. I think there's no what you call this, no threat of avalanche, I think. Yeah, because it's summertime. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the view. Look at the view. Oh, napakaganda nito. This is a very beautiful place, especially I think if it's really sunny. You can see the 360 view of the area. Look at that. Maybe I should go there. So wala namang warning sign na nakalagay ngayon, so we will try to go there also, but we're not gonna go under the cave for our safety. Okay, let's go now. Enjoy it, my friend. Enjoy it. Okay, let's go. Hello. Oh, watch out guys, if you decided to come closer to the cave, be careful on your step. There's a lot of stones here, some of them are loose, that you might injure yourself. And man, there's no signal here. I tell you, the signal here for your cell phone is very terrible, very low signal. So having a problem here, having an accident in this place is really tragic. So be safe if you're going here, be safe. And of course, it's all about you. It's your safety. Mind your safety every time. So as much as possible, keep away from an avalanche area. This place, let's cross our finger. I hope there's no problem today, but we're not gonna go under the cave. We're not that compatible doing that. I will show it to you, but we're not gonna go under the cave. I have kids. I'm not that brave. I'm not brave enough to go under the cave, because you'll never know what's gonna happen, because there's a moving water from the top right there going down to the ice caves actually. So it's really dangerous. For me, it's dangerous to go under the cave, inside the cave. So I'm just gonna make my distance. But man, this place is gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, look at this place. Big Four. Oh my god, Big Four is so gorgeous. I wish I came here on a better day, that it's not raining but sunny day. But we will come back here one more time. I will make another video without the rain and without the clouds. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh man, if you can see this on video and you think it's great, it's beautiful, oh, you should be here. You should come here. This is a lot better when you are here. Okay, let's go nearer. My battery is 11% right now, but we will change the battery as soon as it died, so I can continuously filming this. Okay, let's go. Oh, there you go. There are some people that went to the cave actually. Those two guys, male and female, they went inside the cave. I saw them. They were inside the cave, so they are very brave. So congratulations to them. And these two kids, they went closer to the opening of the cave. These guys are also brave, but me, maybe not. Not really. I'm not gonna go really close. Maybe this far. Okay. Because I have kids, I always thinking of my kids. I love my kids, I love my wife, I love my family. Okay guys, I think I've seen enough and you've seen enough. So there is actually a falls inside the cave. There is actually a falls right there. Hang on, let me take a video of my cell phone because I can zoom from here. Hang on. There you can see this. That's the falls inside the cave. That's the falls inside the cave. There is falls inside the cave, and it's kind of raining right now. That's why you can see these droplets right there. But there's actually a falls inside the cave. The water is coming from the top. Right there. It's actually coming from the top of the mountain. Let's see where it is. Oh, where is it? Okay, it's right there. Okay, from the top. There you go. Okay, right there. And then here. So from there, it goes down here inside the cave. So there's the falls inside the cave. So that's the reason why I don't want to go inside. You'll never know what's gonna happen. There's water running there. So you'll never know the integrity of that ice caves. So pardon me my friends for those who said that I am coward. That's fine with me. I have a family, I have a kids. So the most important thing is I already showed this to you, and if you're interested, please come and visit this place. Again, the name of the place is Big 4 Ice Cave. Okay, this is in Washington State. Alright, let's do another one round of video here and then we're done. I'm gonna take some pictures for myself. There you go. Oh, it is so beautiful. Alright, okay guys, let's go here. So be careful when you're walking, because there's a lot of loose gravel, loose rocks. You don't want to get injured yourself here. Okay. Okay, let me use my GoPro here so I can have a video of myself also. Okay. All right. Okay, I think we're done here. So I already showed you the ice cave here at Big 4, Washington State, Mount Baker. So guys, you should come and see this. I promise you will love this place. It is better. You know, if you're here, you know, if you can see this video, that is, you know, really cool, really nice. The view is really cool and wonderful. But I bet if you come here, I bet you will love it much better from the videos. I encourage you to come here, visit Washington State, Mount Baker, Big 4. They call it Big 4 Mount Baker Ice Cave. All right, I'll see you then. So I'm gonna finish this video. I'm not gonna video the trail going back to the parking lot, but I hope you enjoy this, and please subscribe, like, and share to to grow our community, and at the same time, please share this to your friends. So if they come here to Washington State, or if they are here in Washington State, they should come here and visit this place because it is highly recommended. Thank you so much and have a great day. God bless us all.